guys, I brought you somewhere nice. It's a very historical village. This is a well with drinking water that you can still drink from. Nothing cool in here, though. It's nice. Yeah, you can still drink from that. And this used to, well, all the villagers used to, that's where they come and get the water. Quite a walk, right? But I can't because we're on a busy road. This is the start of the village, but if I can just show you sort of, you know, what it looks like. Stand behind me. But it's beautiful. Sorry, I can't really get, I will put a picture in. It's really nice. And it was built in 1888. Okay, we've got to walk now, but what I'll do is I'll show you as well. Show you what it looks like there. Okay. So it's quite a busy road. But anyways, I'm going to take you to a little village. I've had to park the car up here as well. Quite a steep. Whoa! There you go. Till I've not been out for a while. Yeah. I think you're going to like this one. Let's hope I've got it on record. Hang on. I think trust I've got something in my friggin' eye already. What the hell? Oh. Jeez. Right. I'm going to have to sort of put the camera down in a minute. You can see sort of the starter version. I'm going to show you now. I'm going to turn the camera around. And I'm going to show you how it's a hill I'm walking up, and the well's just at the bottom of this village. And turn it back round. And there we go. But yeah. I should point it to the floor a second. To the ball. A minute. Okay. The old street lamps. It's nice though. Look at all the old houses there. Nice. How pretty is this? Now I have tried to look up the history. There's obviously history on it. Oh, look at the cobbled, not cobbled roads, the cobbled pavements where you walk. See the top of that, look at that, that's to let. Okay. There's not much. I might be better walking in the middle of the road, but what I'm going to have to do, I have to put this camera off for a second. Hang on. Oh. Right. Okay. There's quite busy. This is gone. Oh, anyway, bit of fun, eh? There's, I think. It's been so picturesque, it's quite busy today. Oh, I think I've picked the wrong day. Oh, look at that. That's absolutely beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful. Right, I'm going to point it down again. Not having much fun here. Oh dear, dear. Right. Oh God. You can get some new garden potatoes. Oh. Right, you see the church? Oh wow, that must have been a bakery a long time ago. Look at that. Oh, look at the post office. It's cool. So I would, any of my American friends like to live somewhere like this. Okay, look at that. So that was the post office. I'll write in the description a little bit more, obviously. It's because I just decided to come here. I knew this was it. This is not, it's about 15 minutes away from me. Look at this. How nice is that? Don't you just like it when it's not been painted? Ah, the old hall. I'm sure I read something about this. Okay. There's absolutely loads of cars. Right, I'm going to point it down somewhere now when this car goes. That's pretty, isn't it? You just got to be aware of people, haven't you? You don't want to pee them off. Yeah. My American friends. Your letterbox. Telephone box. I said, oh God, I'm nearly falling. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? What does that say? Can't even see. Noah's Ark Cottage. And I'll tell you what this is because... Oh, I've got to wait for a car now again. Right, what they decided to do with some of these is make them into libraries, so you just go in there and get a book. Because obviously with mobile phones now, they don't get used, do they? But God, I always use these as growing up. I can always remember them smelling. Should we have a look? Wow, look. Isn't that cool? You couldn't have this in a city, could you? But these doors weigh a ton. But I can remember sort of... oh, look. That's for the NHS, rainbow. You used to have to keep the door open with your friend because they were like claustrophobic. Maybe that's where it started from with me. These very heavy doors. Telephone used to be on the back there, and you used to take all your money. But anyway, this is beautiful, isn't it? It's hard because it's quite busy. I've decided to come on a Saturday, which is stupid really, but I took advantage of the nice day. But I will come back again, like I always do. I'll come back for you, so if you want me to come back, just put it in the comments below. But I'm heading to the graveyard at St Mary's. I'm going to point this to the wall a sec because the car's coming. I don't want to pee anyone off, you see. I should have been in the village. Oh. Right. Okay. But yeah, it is mentioned in the Doomsday Book, like possibly a lot of places in England or the UK. It's just a... Oh, look at that. See, I love how they keep all the old stuff. Now, you see that? They're tombstones against the church there. I'm going to have to turn this off or something now. Or put it down. Hang on. See, oh, that's pretty, isn't it? It's a pretty house. Yeah. Very pretty house, that, isn't it? I'm going to sort of get a shot here now. But that's the pub there. I think it's St George, I'm not sure. Obviously, the pubs aren't open yet. Well, I can take you across there later. Now, I'm going to take you down here where it's less busy a minute. Okay. How do you like this, guys? Nice, isn't it? Okay, it's 3:20 now. The old for the animals. Nice, that, isn't it? I'll take you down here and show you what's down here. It's actually bigger than I thought, to be honest. Because there's stuff over that way as well. There's something to investigate. A big shout out to Becky Blue Eyes Paranormal, my partner, YouTube partner. Hope you feel better, love. I thought I'd surprise you and come here today. I kind of half mentioned it on the phone this morning. But yeah, it just goes on, doesn't it? How pretty is this? Now, I'm going to turn it round. Can't yet, no people. Right, and there's the church. Sorry about this, guys. I can do without all this editing, putting it together, because I absolutely hate it. It takes me like 6 weeks to do it. But that's quite impressive, isn't it? Very overpowering, isn't it, when you look at it? Wow. Amazing. All the little cottages all around it. It is beautiful. But I will turn round in a bit because gold mine house. Okay. Nice. Just missed the bells. But the stocks as well. Okay, I got a date. Back to 1064. There's the old stocks. That's where I've walked from. How pretty is this? Some nice cones. Oh, it's nice, isn't it? But we'll go in there. I think the side wing to this. Wow. Okay. Old. I'm trying to find some dates. Hang on. Yeah, the wing of this church was the 14th century. Like I said, I'll put it all in the description. Yes, I should have done my homework on it, and I didn't. I'm a naughty girl. But I will do. About that, eh? Look at all them cottages there, Tudor cottages. Pretty, isn't it? Yeah, I'm going to use a necrophonic, but I've got to pick the right one, haven't I? But I might come back and do that in a bit. Oh, there's a bit too many people about. But yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it? Okay. Okay. Now, cottages, more cottages. The little walkway thing. It just goes on forever now. These are nice, aren't they? Ring of bells. Unless that used to be a pub, I don't know. Usually call pubs ring of bells. I don't know. Yeah, it's very picturesque, isn't it? Oh God, I can't walk on these. Jesus, it's nearly broke my leg. I suppose they had these for the horses, didn't they? I don't know. Oh, look at this. Pretty, is that? Nice broken.
Absolutely none. Not from here. Thank you.
What did they ask for?
Something, whatever.
That's the wrong person. Oh yeah, I can picture myself living here. Wow. Okay. I bet you this was oh God. What's up with me at all? I don't know memory and oh look at that. You can buy fresh eggs there. How cute. Oh. What are them buildings called? They put shoes on horses. What's up with me at all? We're crying out loud. A blacksmith, that's it. For God's sake. Okay, the old smith, I think that says. Oh God. Well, at least it gives you something to laugh at anyway. Not boring, is it? Oh, I'm shattered now. Okay, this body's getting old now. Right, I'm not going down there because it'll probably go on for hundreds of miles somewhere. Right, okay, I'm going to turn back round and give you a shot. What's that? Smithy Lane? God, why? Oh, thick as pig. Oh, look at that. Do jams as well. That's nice, isn't it? They sell them. Have we had change on? Well, you can't give change now, can you? Right, I've got to wait for this car now. So I'm going to come back down. Okay. Oh, God. Okay, I'm not a professional. Come on, I'm a YouTuber. Oh, them roses pretty. I imagine all the ghosts looking out at me now. Bet there's hundreds here. Who's that nutty woman? Oh God. Oh. Do you know what? Do you know what's really getting on my nerves? All these cars. And that. Oh, isn't that beautiful, that? That is gorgeous, isn't it? Beautiful. Oh. I need a drink. The pubs aren't open. I said go to the pub. But yeah. I wonder whether that was some sort of farm. Must have been. You see? I'll show you. That way. In the middle of the road now. So you can see it. Getting killed for you guys. But yeah, oh, for God's sake. Stressing me out. Oh God. You see? Crazy. I can't go up. Becky, help. Right. Oh, do you know what? I love all these roses. How pretty, eh? There's the pub, not open. God damn it. Nice, yeah? Absolutely beautiful. Yeah. That's a nice pub. Hi. Right, so I'm gonna go down in and I'm gonna sneakily. Oh, that old man. Oh, just give me a little wave. Friendly bunch. Oh, what's that? What the hell? Can't mean anything. How pretty are these houses? See, I've got someone walking here again. Oh, god damn it. Right, I'll just point you to this for a minute. Right, oh. Quite a busy day. See? Okay, Laurie, Kathy. Peekaboo. I can't remember names anymore. How would you like to live in a house like that? Oh, look at this one. You'd be frightened though, wouldn't you imagine being in that? Jeez. Louise. Right, back to the wall again. Yeah, nice. Oh. Ooh, I found somewhere I can put the necrophonic, guys. I'm just going to go a bit down here now. Oh, yes. See this school? This school's old. I can't remember the date. Becky's going to kill me. Oh, Becky, help. But yeah, that's obviously a new bit, that, isn't it? Yeah, I've got my protection bracelets on. I'm waiting for my other ones to come. Shout out to Laurie as well. Laurie's vlog adventures. Oh god. Shout out to Warhorse. Why? What's wrong with me, guys? I tell you. But yeah, this is an old school. I'm so giddy today. Oh. Oh. I'll come back to that in a minute. I'm going to go in the old bit because there's no people. Oh. Hey guys, do you want the necrophonic now? That's what you don't get found out though, because you might think I'm a bit weird. Right. Even you paranormal guys know that I'm not. Yeah? Right, ooh, look at that. Look at this. Look at the size of that one. Wow. I don't know whether I can go in the long grass, guys. Hang on. A little bit. God, it goes right back there. Oh, God, that's weird, isn't it? Nicely spaced out, like. So I want to go somewhere quiet. Sort of. Under this tree would be good, wouldn't it? Right. Oh, should I go under this tree? Yeah, go under this tree. Oh, and guess what I didn't bring? Me stand. See, Becky. Sorry, I'm not being disrespectful or anything. I always respect the dead. Now, I can't see who this is. Elizabeth. Okay. So, let me just get this on for you guys. But this is what doing a raw video's like, eh? Right. Where am I? Just give me a sec. Taking the surroundings while I find it. Now this is where my nose starts dripping now. And I've got my hands full. Right. Oh my god, I've got no tissues with me. Right, okay. I've not come here to harm anyone or be disrespectful in any way. Okay, let's start. If you can talk into this device if anyone's here. Right, okay, let's get it on. Start. Hi, spirits. Is anyone here with me right now? Is anyone here with me? It's not loud enough, hang on. Is anyone here with me right now? Hi, spirit. What's my name? Can't put it too loud. Ooh. Who's here with me? I feel like someone's here with me. Try to step forward and come and talk to this in here. This will help you speak. How old are you, spirit? Gotta stop it a minute. Someone's coming. Would you believe this? Right, sorry guys. Thought I picked a quiet area. I'll have to point it that way a minute to the school. It's absolutely beautiful. Hi. Hello. I'm sorry, 3 people just walked past me, so sorry, I'm gonna have to go somewhere else. But it is what it is, isn't it? You know, you can't change it. Quite overgrown though, isn't it? We'll do with cutting this grass, yeah? Oh yeah, what's this one here? We'll try up here. See, I'm going to have to find out more history. I'm so sorry, guys. But you know me. What's this one? William Robert Lyon Bennett. Should I try that one? Trying to see. Oh yeah. Pretty. It's nice, isn't it? Oh. Right, okay. I'm going to try it here where it's quiet. I don't want to sound disrespectful, you see, to when I'm right, guys. Okay. If anyone's hearing me right now, can you talk into this device? Tell me who you are. Tell me my name. Okay. Hi, spirits. Who's here with me? Spirits? How many spirits are here with me? 15? Yeah, I'll try there. Hi, William Robert Lyon Bennett. Would anyone like to talk? Come step forward and talk to me. What's my name, spirits?
Gone.
Gone? Where have you gone? Are you male or female? Are you male or female, spirit? Can you... Can any spirits see me? How old are you, spirit? Talking to this device, this will help you. This will help you speak to me. I'll try reverb. It's him. Him. Help. What would you like me to help you with? Fine. Be careful, someone's coming. Okay, I'll stop it, guys, sorry. Oh no. I just heard a cough. Did anyone hear that cough then? Where the hell did that come from? Right, hang on. Just heard a cough. That really freaked me. Was it? Did anyone hear that then? They did put the comments below. Thought I heard it come from behind this tree. Don't forget, if you see anything, hear anything, put it in the comments below. My actual heart's going 10 to a dozen here. It was like a like that, wasn't it? There's no one around me. What the hell? Right, I'll just go a little bit further. I'll move away.